You can actually tell somebody is posting AI content without any other scrutiny and revisions, and that's a big no right now. So I think the idea is like you can, if you think about a whole life cycle, you have an idea, kind of like, not to plug our last LinkedIn event, like you have an
Oh, go
idea.
ahead, plug it.
Like Andrea got a media request, say, well, we
Mm.
want to talk about EQ at the workplace, right? So she went away and came up with this idea, original work, and then it went on the Entrepreneur magazine. Which magazine was it? Was it Fast?
Oh, it was the Fast Company one?
So it was the Fast company. So Andrea got featured, and then she's taking it to repurpose it,
Yeah.
turn it into a blog post, turn it into a YouTube video, turn it into a LinkedIn event. And now the summary part of it can then come in. It will say, wow,
Mm.
let's use AI to summarize it.
Yeah, no, it really makes content go much, much further. If I'm doing longer pieces, certainly go use AI first. It's an idea generator, and even to the point of
Mhm.
this strategic decision making, getting the data, getting the information, because I really like to have things to be evidence based. I mean, you need the human component because people like
Right.
Ken and I can take different things, even when we have our conversations. We're pulling from different expertises, areas of expertise.
Mhm.
So the human part makes it spicy, as you like to say, Ken, gives it the flavor. So that is something that I'm sure a lot of organizations are using it for too. But certainly the
Mhm.
summarization, meeting minutes, I remember being tortured by that early in my
Oh.
career. It just takes away a lot of the grunt work right now.